Did you know Linux has a black hole? This black hole is where things go to disappear forever. To illustrate the need for a black hole, I'm going to bring a command right above my head, right up there. Now, I want you to execute this command as a regular user, not sudo, not root, regular user, and see what happens. I'm going to go ahead and wait here. Did you get an overwhelming amount of output? Well, if you did, you executed the command correctly, because if you executed it correctly, you should have gotten a ton of output. I'm going to go ahead and show you that now. Oh my gosh, so much output, so much output. It's like 2 seconds of stuff flashing across your screen. And the reason for this is because of all of these errors. Now, these errors are being received because your regular user does not have permission to be able to access these locations. So the command can't access those locations. So it's throwing errors like, hey, dude, I can't check here. So I don't know what you want from me. Wouldn't it have been nice to have a black hole to send all these errors to? This is B from Tay Talk Tech, and today I'm going to explain to you the black hole of Linux. So stick with me. I've got a favor to ask. If you like this type of video and want to see more content like it, make sure you're subscribed and hit the bell button for notifications. Also, don't forget to give this video a like if you like it. Let me know what you liked, didn't like, or if you have any comments, questions, concerns, or emotional outbursts down in the comments below. And lastly, make sure you stick around all the way to the end to get the most out of this video. Let's do this thing. All right, so let's go ahead and clear this out. The directory we're going to be talking about is going to be dev null. Now, dev null is going to be the black hole. Anything you send here is going to go away forever and it's not recoverable. Now, if you don't want to see errors, you can go ahead and use this directory, but you got to point to that directory, and that's what we're going to use to, and then the greater than symbol. Essentially, what the greater than symbol does is it redirects a stream, and 2 indicates that the stream that we need to redirect here is going to be errors. When we're talking about streams in Linux, a 0 is user input. I'm sorry, standard input. 1 is standard output, and also 1 is just represented as nothing when you're talking about using the greater than symbol, and then 2 is going to be the error stream. And that's what we want to do here is basically with this thing, it's like, hey, any errors that you get, send them over there. I don't want to deal with those. So the cool thing is that it can save you just the overwhelming feeling of staring at all that output and having to shift through it. Because let me show you what happens when we execute this command. And now we're going to do 2, and we're going to do dev, and then null. All right, perfect. And whoops, put a period there instead of the greater than symbol. And look at that. Isn't that so much more easy to digest? Or easier? More easy, easier? It's one of those two words. I don't know. I can't speak today. But yeah, it is so much easier to digest when we look at it this way, and you don't have all those errors being thrown, and you're getting exactly what it is that you're looking for. Now you don't have to worry about knowing errors popping up when you can't run a command as sudo. Make sure you check out this other video from my channel. Remember, mistakes make you better, so keep on making them. Thank you so much for watching my video, and have the greatest of days.